Peanuts are one of the most popular legumes in the world and are enjoyed in many different forms. They are consumed raw, as peanut butter, or added to many different recipes and baked goods. Beyond their pleasant taste, peanuts contain a number of important nutrients and can promote our health in many unique and effective ways. Let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming peanuts regularly. First, despite their smaller size, peanuts are very nutrient dense. Just a few peanuts can go a long way in adding important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to your diet. They are high in important nutrients such as copper, manganese, folate, biotin, vitamin E, and vitamin B3. They also are high in protein, a good source of healthy fats, and are loaded with healthy antioxidant compounds. Peanuts are also very heart healthy and can help to promote the overall health of our cardiovascular system many different ways. Since they are rich in unsaturated fats, they can help to reduce both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol levels in the body. They are also low in cholesterol, which is important for heart health. As well, peanuts can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. This is often attributed to the healthy omega-3 fatty acids found in them. These numerous benefits help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Looking to improve the quality of your skin and make it more healthy looking? Then peanuts can certainly help in this regard. They are packed with unsaturated fatty acids, which can help to reduce wrinkles and damage caused by the sun. They can also help protect collagen cells, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines. As well, peanuts are loaded with skin-healthy vitamin E, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body that can eventually lead to damage to our skin. The antioxidants found in peanuts are especially helpful in neutralizing these damaging free radicals and improving the skin's appearance and health. Consuming peanuts can also have benefits for our overall cognitive health, prevent cognitive decline, and protect against cognitive and neurological ailments such as Alzheimer's disease. This is often attributed to the high levels of niacin found within peanuts, which studies have shown can help fight against cognitive decline as we get older. Not only that, but peanuts also contain an important compound known as resveratrol that has neurological benefits, such as protecting DNA and preventing cell death. The antioxidants in peanuts can also help to prevent these ailments. Always discuss with your medical practitioner for further treatment and prevention measures related to cognitive health. Lastly, although it may come as a surprise to some individuals due to their high fat and calorie content, peanuts can actually help to promote weight loss when consumed in moderation. This is due to their wonderful nutritional profile. Even better for weight loss, they contain healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which all help us to feel more full and increase satiety. This will help to reduce snacking during the day and overeating. They are also loaded with many different nutrients, which is important for anyone who is dieting. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.